Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of emerging technologies? Have you ever wondered what the future holds for us? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Official Tech Expert, the channel that explores the latest advancements that will shape our tomorrow. So hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey through the emerging technologies of the future. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single episode. AutoDraw. AutoDraw, the ultimate online drawing tool. It's like having an art genie at your fingertips. Simply start sketching and AutoDraw will suggest options based on your strokes. Say goodbye to the hours spent laboring over graphics. With AutoDraw, creating visuals is a breeze, even for the artistically challenged. It's a perfect tool for generating simple visuals on the fly. No art degree required. Get creative with AutoDraw today. Whist Labs. Welcome to Whist Labs, where we turn memories into mind-bending adventures. We're masters at transforming plain old videos into jaw-dropping 3D experiences. Say goodbye to ordinary reminiscing and hello to virtual and augmented reality excitement. Relive that epic vacation, your wedding day, or even your cat's adorable antics like never before. With Whist Labs, we'll inject a hefty dose of interactivity and immersion into your videos, leaving you mesmerized and begging for more. Get ready to dive into a world of captivating memories. A reimagined home. Step into the future with a reimagined home, where you can play designer without lifting a hammer. Our nifty tool lets you try out all kinds of interior and exterior designs without a single physical change. Picture this: you can visualize new furniture, flooring, and even decor using augmented reality. No more guessing games or regrets. Make informed decisions about renovations and decor choices with confidence. Preview, compare, and find your dream design before you commit. It's like having a personal design genie in your pocket. A reimagined home, the home makeover revolution has arrived. DoNotPay.com. Say hello to DoNotPay.com, your very own robot lawyer. This innovative online service is like having a legal whiz kid at your beck and call. Need help resolving issues or navigating tricky processes? DoNotPay.com's got your back with its vast knowledge base of legal situations. But that's not all. It's also a secret weapon for academic success. From essay writing assistance to grammar fixes and citation generation, this powerhouse has got your academic tasks covered. Just remember, while some may misuse it to cheat, DoNotPay.com is here to genuinely guide and support you in your legal endeavors. SoundDraw. Enter SoundDraw, the ultimate music creation platform powered by AI. With SoundDraw, you're the maestro. Just pick your style, energy level, and instruments, and voila! You've got a personalized track ready to rock your world. Need a groovy background beat for your video project? SoundDraw has you covered. Want to unleash your inner Mozart and explore new musical ideas? SoundDraw is your creative playground. It's like having an AI bandmate who's always in tune with your vision. Get ready to compose, create, and conquer the music world with SoundDraw. Let the harmonious adventure begin. Mubert. Meet Mubert, the AI maestro of music. This groundbreaking tool whips up custom music tracks like nobody's business. With AI algorithms at its command, Mubert crafts dynamic compositions in real time, delivering a smooth musical journey. Need the killer background beat for your videos? Mubert's got you covered. Seeking the perfect soundtrack for your game? Mubert will compose on cue. Craving ambient tunes for ultimate relaxation? Mubert will create the perfect soundscape. It's like having a personal music genius on demand, adding a sprinkle of creativity and customization to all your projects. Mubert, where music meets magic. Midjourney. Enter Midjourney, the artist in the AI realm. This incredible tool transforms your text prompts into jaw-dropping visuals. With its advanced deep learning techniques, Midjourney decodes your transcriptions and conjures up stunning artwork in a variety of styles. Need concept art? No problem. Craving illustrations? Consider it done. Midjourney turns your ideas into captivating images, igniting creativity and setting your imagination free. Get ready to witness the magic as your words come to life in mesmerizing visuals. Midjourney, where text meets artistry. Stable Diffusion. Step into the realm of visual wizardry with Stable Diffusion. This incredible text-to-image generator brings your written concepts to life with mind-boggling realism. Powered by cutting-edge AI models, Stable Diffusion understands and translates your descriptions into visually stunning and accurate depictions. Designers, artists, and content creators rejoice. Stable Diffusion is here to streamline your creative process and add that magical touch to your projects. Say goodbye to endless brainstorming and hello to a world where your ideas become vivid realities. Stable Diffusion, where words become breathtaking images. Glaze. Introducing Glaze, the AI art tool that respects copyright like a boss. This revolutionary tool lets artists and designers dive into a treasure trove of AI-generated art pieces and unleash their remixing skills to create one-of-a-kind compositions. With Glaze's AI algorithms, the sky's the limit for exploring creative possibilities, experimenting with styles, and pushing artistic boundaries. But wait, there's more! Glaze keeps things ethical and responsible by ensuring the proper use of AI-generated content. Get ready to let your imagination run wild with Glaze and make art that's uniquely yours. Mixo. Say hello to Mixo, the website creation tool that's a dream come true for entrepreneurs and businesses. With Mixo, you can test your brilliant ideas by effortlessly generating websites in a jiffy. No coding or design skills required. Thanks to intuitive templates, drag-and-drop magic, and easy customization options, you can build interactive websites that perfectly capture the essence of your business concept. Mixo empowers you to validate your ideas, gather user feedback, and iterate on your digital products like a boss. Get ready to conquer the online world with Mixo by your side. Sidekick. Say hello to Sidekick, the ultimate website creation tool for entrepreneurs and startups. With Sidekick, you can kickstart your business ideas by effortlessly generating websites to test concepts and gather valuable user data. Whether it's a snazzy landing page, a stunning product showcase, or a full-fledged website, Sidekick has got your back. With easy-to-use templates, customizable options, and seamless integration with analytics tools, you'll be gathering insights and optimizing your offerings like a pro. Get ready to kickstart your success with Sidekick and make those informed business decisions that'll leave your competitors in the dust. Jasper. Meet Jasper, the writing wizard powered by AI. This incredible tool is here to supercharge your content for search engines and ad copy. With Jasper's natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, your writing will reach new heights. It analyzes your content and offers insightful suggestions to boost search engine visibility and skyrocket conversion potential. Whether you're creating blog articles, product descriptions, or ad campaigns, Jasper has your back with valuable insights and recommendations. Get ready to fine-tune your writing, engage your audience, and achieve remarkable results in the digital realm. Let Jasper unleash its magic on your words. Copy.AI. Get ready for Copy.AI, the ultimate AI-powered copywriting genius. With Copy.AI, you can effortlessly conjure up persuasive and conversion-focused sales copy that will make your audience say, "Take my money." Whether you need captivating ad copy, irresistible email campaigns, or engaging social media posts, Copy.AI has got your back. With a lineup of writing assistants including content generators, brainstorming tools, and editing capabilities, you'll breeze through the content creation process like a pro. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to messages that connect with your target audience, drive actions, and make your business shine. Copy.AI, your secret weapon for compelling content. Boom, that's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to stay on top of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We drop 3 to 5 videos every week, so you'll always have fresh content to feed your tech addiction. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you, and we're always eager to help out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side with more exciting tech content. Peace out.